doctors. How are you? Please come. Hi, how are you? Please come. Mr. Kohli, Dr. Lakshmi, Mrs. Kohli. आप और मिस्टर कोहली एक सफ़र पे जाने वाले हैं जहां इनके सवालों के जवाब मिलने वाले हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले आप हमारे सवालों के कुछ जवाब दीजिए।
Yes.
या हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि ल्यूसिड ड्रीमिंग और आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस में क्या फ़र्क है?
Every lucid dream is an out of body experience. So, when we are dreaming every night, we are actually going out of body.
Okay.
So, there are different types of dreams, and one of the dream is actually we travel outside our body. Our consciousness ventures into different experiences, different planes of existence. So, that's called OBs.
OBs.
So, lucid dreams are OBs.
Okay. So lucid dreaming is out of body
Out of body
experience.
experience. So
लेकिन-
it is different from NDE, near-death experience,
जी.
as we are talking about this.
Yes.
NDE, near-death experience, will have a component of OBE, out-of-body experience. But not out-of-body experience or NDEs, near-death experiences.
Okay.
They're two different things.
Out of body experiences are not near death experiences, लेकिन lucid dreaming is out of body experience.
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है जी, लेकिन उस दौरान क्या थोड़ा सा डर हो सकता है इंसान के
There
मन
can be a possibility of a strange feeling or scared feeling, because first time when it is happening, we feel scared. Oh, what's happening?
जी.
I'm out of my body.
जी.
How to get into my body again? So generally that fear can come.
और क्या उसी डर की वजह से कभी-कभी वो जो सफ़र होता है आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस का सफ़र, क्या वो छोटा हो सकता है डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी?
या कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि व्हेन वी आर जस्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉडी वो डर आ जाती है।
जी।
जब वो डर आ जाती है वी जस्ट कम इनटू द बॉडी बिकॉज हियर ये आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस में हम ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कि ये हमारा स्थूल शरीर है, हमारा फिजिकल बॉडी है, हमारा और एक सूक्ष्म शरीर है जिसको हम एस्ट्रल बॉडी कहते हैं। तो जब ये आउट ऑफ बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस होता है, जो सूक्ष्म शरीर है वो ये स्थूल शरीर से बाहर आ जाती है। सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जब भी हम नींद में ना सपने आ जाते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये हो रही है, ये आउट ऑफ बॉडी हो रही है, लेकिन वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट।
Correct.
बट व्हेन इट इज़ हैपनिंग कॉन्शियसली, व्हेन वी आर बिकमिंग अवेयर ऑफ इट, थोड़ा सा डर आ जाता है पहली बार जब वो हो रहा है। तो देन द डर मेक्स अस टू जस्ट कम बैक टू अवर बॉडी, एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज एक कनेक्शन होती है ये स्थूल शरीर और सूक्ष्म शरीर के बीच में एक कनेक्शन
डोर
होती
की
है,
तरह।
या एक डोर की तरह, एक सिल्वर कॉर्ड कहते हैं। या
आज पहली बार एक इंसान अपने शरीर को यहीं छोड़कर एक ऐसे सफ़र पर जाएगा जो सपनों से भी परे है। मिस्टर कोहली, क्या आप तैयार हैं?
जी हाँ।
ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो चलिए आइए।
आज अतुल कोहली गाइडेड मेडिटेशन यानी मार्गदर्शित ध्यान के जरिए अपने अनुभव को दोबारा जिएंगे, लेकिन इस बार वो अकेले नहीं हैं। उनके साथ हैं डॉक्टर न्यूटन, जो कोहली जी के अनुभव में छुपे संदेश को जानने में उनकी मदद करेंगे। आज कोहली जी जानेंगे कि क्यों वो मौत के करीब पहुंचकर वापस आए, और इसके गवाह बनेंगे हम सब।
क्या आप तैयार हैं?
तैयार हैं।
Wonderful. आप आंखें बंद कीजिए और गहरी लंबी सांसें लीजिए। Make yourself very, very relaxed. As you inhale and exhale, I would like you to completely relax. While you are breathing in, allow all the fresh energies to flow into your body. While you are breathing out, I would like you to completely let go. Let go of any stress, tensions, worries that are bothering you right now. Let each cycle of breathing take you deeper, deeper, deeper into this relaxation. From top of your head to the bottom of your feet, allow these waves and waves of relaxation to envelop you, to surround you, to take you more deeper, deeper than ever before. At this point of time, I'd like you to connect with a powerful beam of divine, healing, relaxing light on top of your head. Allow your mind to choose the color of this light. You may visualize, picturize, perceive, feel this warm, healing, relaxing light. Allow this light to surround your body like a cocoon, feeling more safe, secure, deeply relaxing. At this point of time, any anxieties, any stress, allow them to be dissolved into this beautiful cocoon of light, totally relaxing. Right now, I'd like you to send out your mind to the most beautiful place of nature, your favorite place of nature, the place where you feel comfortable, safe, and deeply relaxed. It could be forests, mountains, rivers, oceans. It could be a beautiful garden. I'd like you to explore, experience that beautiful, favorite place of nature. Listen to the sounds coming from that nature. And smell the fragrances coming from that nature. Few moments time, you'll be going into a more deeper trance kind of state. You can start describing me about what you are feeling, seeing, experiencing. आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं?
Feeling the
Yeah,
mountains.
mountains. Yeah. I'd like you to go totally connect with this beautiful place of nature. At this point of time, I'd like you to tell me more about these mountains, more about what you are experiencing in that place of nature.
Beautiful lake around.
Beautiful lake. Right.
It's a crystal clear lake.
Crystal clear lake. Right. Very good. Very good. At this point of time, I'd like to describe about what you are experiencing in this deep trance kind of state, this deep relaxation.
Fireball. Huge fireball hitting the
Yeah. Tell me more about this.
hitting the earth.
Right. How do you feel?
It's not hurting me.
Right.
It's sad to see a beautiful thing going.
Right. In this state of deep relaxation, you can access all the memories from your subconscious mind. I'd like you to go back in time to a significant memory, which is very significant, which has completely altered your life later on. Be willing. Give yourself the permission now. Relive, re-experience as if it is happening now. You can now describe about what you are experiencing.
We are at the basketball field.
Right.
The whole team is there.
Right.
There's a match to be played.
Right.
Ready to enter the court. Just warming up with the ball.
Right.
Coach is calling us, बुला रहे हैं हमें.
Yes.
मेरी पोजीशन चेंज करी है इन्होंने. I've been asked to play at the back position.
Right. Go on. Progress to the next moment.
The match has started now. We have scored few baskets. We are winning by 2 points.
Yes.
Ball is coming,
Right.
and I have jumped to hold the ball.
Right.
Fell, गिर रहा हूँ.
गिर रहा. Okay. Right. You're falling down. Right.
Throw बहुत ऊंचा था. I couldn't catch the ball, and while falling, I am looking at the ball.
Right. What's happening?
मुझे चोट नहीं लगा.
Right.
And सब लोग इकट्ठा हो गए. Friend of mine is there.
Yes.
Now everyone is gathering around me. I don't want to come back, but
Right. How does it feel to you to be there?
very nice.
Very nice.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah. I'd like to tell me more about this. What are you seeing from above? How does it look like?
No emotions attached, nothing. I mean, you're just a free bird.
Yes. I'd like you to be there for another few moments. Watch that scene.
Now I'm up. I've come back to the body.
You're back to the body, right? How are you feeling to be inside the body now?
Too tired.
Too tired.
Body is tired.
Yeah,
But I'm not hurt.
right.
The coach asked me to wait for some time.
Yes.
And I'm back in the court.
Yeah, yeah. Very good. How are you feeling?
feeling of care,
Right.
loving, that's it.
Right. At this point of time, slowly detach yourself from that memory. I'd like you to visit another significant memory that happened in this life. I'd like you to visit another significant memory that happened in this life. Slowly detach yourself from that memory. I'd like you to visit another significant memory that happened in this life. Allow yourself now to go deeper, deeper, deeper into your subconscious plane, where this important memory, significant memory to you, which is waiting there, which wants to now surface spontaneously, effortlessly. Allow it to happen right this moment. Feel what you feel, see what you see once you are connected to that memory. Notice every detail. Allow yourself to relive it, re-experience it.
I'm not relaxed.
Right. Yeah. Right.
Slightly tired.
Slightly tired. Right. Yeah. अब क्या देख रहे हैं? अब क्या अनुभव कर रहे हैं? Allow yourself.
हाईवे पे खड़े हैं, कार ठीक हो रही है.
What are you doing in that moment?
Checking the car.
Checking the car. Right. I'd like to go on describing what is happening in that moment.
There's a mechanic who is asking for
Right.
we asking the way. Father says, ask him, I ask him where it is, way to the mirror. He says, drop me on the way. He said, fine. Father says, ask him to come in.
Right.
The car is here on the highway. It's a small highway,
Right.
single road type.
Right.
There's someone a tractor is coming. There's a huge lorry behind it. He's driving in the middle of the road.
Right.
I can make out father is confused. He's coming zigzag on the road. It's very close.
I'd like you to completely experience it, relive it. Go on describing now. Right.
He takes a left. Father turns it on the right. He also takes it. It's back. सब कार में बैठे हैं मैं कार को सीन को ऊपर से देख रहा हूँ मेरी बॉडी भी पड़े है वहाँ पे डैशबोर्ड पे सर है मेरा फादर का स्टीयरिंग पर है There's a small child also in the car.
Right.
I think he's my nephew.
Your nephew, right.
He is howling. चीख रहे रो रहे वो.
Right.
My sister she's out badly
Right.
on the jaw. Mechanic is between the tire and the car door. I can see people gathering.
Right.
My mother, my baby, they come out of the car.
Whatever you're feeling, completely feel it.
I want to come back to the body. I don't want to, but I come back. I shake my father, he gets up, he's feeling fine. I asked for the help for this mechanic who was taking us to Meerut.
Right.
He's taken out. He's been taken out. We rushed them to the hospital immediately.
Right.
It's love for the human, basically.
Yeah.
No need to come back, but
Right.
I came back for him, I think.
Right. How does it feel to be there in that soul state, in that outer body state?
It's not this world.
Right.
It's a beautiful place to be.
Right.
I came to this world back for the trust, but
Right.
no packages attached.
No
baggage
baggage
attached.
Right, attached. Okay. This is the time now. Let us go much deeper, deeper, deeper into this experience. When you are just the soul, describe what you are experiencing.
There's nothing like
Right.
beautiful, ugly,
Right.
dirty,
Yeah.
water, fire. There's nothing of this sort. It's all what we imagine, what we see, we feel
Right.
here in human body.
Right. I'd like you to completely be aware of whatever that you learn from the source, whatever insights that you get from the source, whatever messages that comes into you in this state of consciousness. I'd like you to describe about this experience in the soul.
All living beings have souls in them. All are nice. It's only what we do to ourselves.
Right.
We let those circumstances change ourselves. You have a lot of other souls surrounding you the moment you move out of the body. The close people who are around you, they are your soulmates basically.
Yes.
So why hurt the soulmates?
Right. Very good. At this point of time, I'd like you to also understand about this second chance. The purpose of returning back to the body. trust, the intuition.
Meaning is clear, to trust,
To trust,
to have faith.
to have faith. This is the time now for you to integrate this message, this meaning into your being. Allow yourself now, completely understand. Let this be assimilated in yourself. Trust and faith. All that wisdom, the deeper insights that you gain from this, exploring the past, exploring these memories, I'd like you to completely register it in your consciousness. अब वापस लौट आइए, धीरे धीरे, धीरे धीरे. I'd like you to bring back all that positivity, all that insights that you gained. Completely come back, feel the body, this current moment. Feel your breath. आंख खोलिए. Take your own time. Take your own time. Good. Do you want to be seated?
Welcome back, Mr.
Thank you
Kohli.
so much.
Please come, please. बैठिए. So, Mr. Kohli, आपको अपने सवालों के जवाब मिले, कैसा रहा?
It's a wonderful experience, no doubt.
तो आप थोड़ा और हमें गहराई में बताइए.
Basically, what I want to say is कि जो डर है, जो fear है, वो सब हमारा खुद का बनाया हुआ है. It is wrong to say कि वो मेरे दिमाग में है. There is nothing beautiful. There is nothing dirty. There is nothing ugly.
जी. जिंदगी खूबसूरत है, right?
ये जिंदगी खूबसूरत
ये
है.
जिंदगी
से
बहुत अहम बात कही है इन्होंने. ये जिंदगी इसे हमेशा याद रखेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much.
एक छोटा सा तोहफा है आपके लिए. मिसेस कोहली, फ्लावर्स टू यू. मिस्टर कोहली, ये आपके लिए एक छोटा सा तोहफा हमारी तरफ से.
Thank you so much.
प्लीज आप इसे देखिए.
This represents life, your wisdom.
यस, एक्सीलेंट. उम्मीद है
you
आपको
so
पसंद
much.
आया.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर कोहली.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मिसेस कोहली. थैंक यू डॉक्टर न्यूटन. थैंक यू डॉक्टर.